So you want to gain access to an Atari cartridge with a protective cover. Well, you're in luck. I made it pretty easy. Just need something that'll fit inside this slot here. See if I can zoom in. Just poke it. I got my finger in there to hold it. I can use my fingers to push it all the way through. It eventually stops. And you squeeze and it'll stay there. Now you go wipey with your Q-tip with your isopropyl alcohol and it's all clean. Release to let it come back. It's spring loaded. You can use a paper clip. Alright, there we go. That works too. And last but not least, a 2-prong electrical plug also works. Hard doing this through the camera viewfinder. There we go. Again, squeeze, clean, clean, clean. Release when done. With the latest Berserk, that's a little more convenient. No protective cover.